For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign on to Schoology and find the assignment you see here. Earlier today, we talked about looking words up in the dictionary. So for your lesson today or your assignment, you will be looking up 4 different words of your choice. You will see this sheet of paper that has multiple words. You will be picking the 4 words of your choice from this list. After you choose your 4 words, you will need to go to the slide below, that looks like this, and type those 4 words here. Once you have your 4 words, you will need to find a dictionary or borrow a dictionary from your teacher and fill in the rest of this chart. Remember, guide words are the 2 words at the top of the page where you find your word. So, as an example, I chose the word dozen. The guide words on the top of the page where dozen is found are down and drab. You will find those 2 words and write them after you choose your entry word. Don't forget to find the part of speech that your word is. Dozen is a noun, so I put N and then I put noun in parentheses, and then you'll need to type the definition as well. The definition of dozen is a group of 12. After you pick your 4 words, go find each word individually and fill out all pieces of this row. So find the word, type both guide words, type the part of speech, then type the definition. Then move on to your second word and do the same. Once you are done, this whole chart is filled out. Make sure you hit submit assignment for your teacher. Once again, you will be finding 4 words from this paper or this list of words here. Do not use the word dozen because I used that as your example. If you have questions, make sure you ask your teacher.